I did that. Like, I just don't have money to throw away. I don't know about you. So if you're anything like me and you don't want your $150 to go to waste, stay tuned because we are going to revive this baby. What's up, YouTube? It's Ebony. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time stopping by. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a wig tutorial. I had a few wigs actually in my closet that I found, and there was this one that stuck out to me the most because I thought these were like $40 and under wigs. Once I put all the tags with the wigs, I found I spent like $100. Hold up, I have it right here. $150 on this wig, okay, that I totally forgot about. And at one point in time, scrolling back through my pictures, I used to wear the crap out of this wig, and I just threw it in the back of my closet. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into it. I think I got her at my local beauty store, but there is a way to get her online, and I'll give you all the information on her, on how you can purchase her if you would like. It is the Model. You see that? The Model Lace Front Brazilian Natural Hair, 100% human hair, Bohemian Curl. You can dye, bleach, and perm. It's wet and wavy. She is popping. Like, I really just had her in the back of my closet. Like, so I'm just gonna kind of show you how I do it, the process that I put on my wigs, and how we're gonna bring her back to life because she's looking a little dry. She's naughty and dry, and I think that's why I thought maybe she was synthetic, and I just gave up on her. But she's human hair, so we can bring her back to life and just keep wearing her until, I don't know, tracks start falling out. When that happens, $150, when that happens, we gonna sew them back in, or glue them back in. So I straightened my hair the other day, actually, so I just have it slicked back like this in a bun, and I'm just gonna put her on like that. She's curly, so it should be easy for us to hide our bun. Now, if it was a straight wig, I don't know if I would put a bun this big. Normally, I would have my hair, my natural hair, braided. But since I decided to straighten it the other day, I just have it in the bun. You can use a cap of your choice, your color. I know a lot of people like tan, but I use this. It is the Milano. I'll try and have it linked below. I don't know. I've been in a while since I ordered these. I don't know if they have them still. I got it from Amazon. But it's the wig grip. I know now they're really becoming popular, and you can find these in your local beauty store as well for probably like $3. I paid like $20 for this. Like, yes, crazy. All I do is wrap it around my head like so. It's like, it's Velcro, and this is velour, I think, and it's just Velcro, so you can adjust it to your liking. And I just pull it back a little bit, just enough so I can lay my wig right on my hairline. What this wig looks like. Now remember, it's old, so this is not an unpackaging video. I had her for some months. I think I might have got her in the summertime, this past summer 2019. It has lace from ear to ear. I think the inside of it. It has two combs on it at the top. Then it has one comb at the bottom, and then it has an adjustable strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. Woo, she look crazy. I liked the side part, so we're gonna stick with the side part. Now, it's really snug because of my bun, but again, you can adjust that with the adjustable strap. All I'm really going to do is put some water. I have water conditioner. It's just a water bottle and some conditioner of choice. You know I love my Ozzy products, so I'm going to be using the Total Miracle 7-in-1 Ozzy. It's also helpful to have a towel and a detangling comb or brush. I'm going to be using this demi brush here to comb her out. So just like natural hair, we're just going to start at the bottom and work our way up because it is human hair. You want to take really good care of it as if it was your own. And for my hair, I would start at the bottom and go up. She's actually combing through really well. I'm surprised. Like, literally, she probably has been in my closet for like at least 6 months. Let me get her all wet a while, so by the time I get to that was my ear. By the time I get to this side, she will be all ready to be detangled, nice and conditioned. I can't believe I forgot about you, girl. You are so pretty. Look at these curls already. Like, what? I gotta do better. I have to. What have I been doing with my life? Seriously. This baby is nice. Hello, summer 2020. Okay, I will be wearing you. It has been there. I don't think there's any hair like really coming out. I don't sound like it. Trying to get the roots. So I mean, you can already kind of see a difference with the curl. This is not combed out, or this is down. This is not combed out. You can already see like a difference with the curl. Yeah, so glad I found you again. I'm so glad we reunited. I did show y'all what she looked like before, right? Okay, yeah, I did. That's how your hair, girl? Yeah, this is my hair. Okay, listen. What a vibe. regret spending $150 now, okay? I don't. It's about to be my best friend for real. She's arrived. And I like the tuck behind the ear look. I think that's really cute, you know. So the products I put in, just help with the curls, to keep the curls and make it look wet longer instead of it drying up and frizzing up. I just want to show you the parting. I keep my parting on the side. And look how natural the scalp is. It looks like it's coming from my head, does it not? Like, what? Really pretty unit. The girl is feeling herself. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos like this. Well, have a good day and stay blessed.